Welcome to another GL Communications product demonstration video. This is a continuation of our PacketExpert series, which is our hardware platform for advanced Ethernet and IP testing. This video will demonstrate how to run Python scripts for automated testing. Users can run tests through the graphical user interface or through a command line interface. The CLI is very useful for automating tests. Python scripts can be used to remotely send commands to the CLI, which will execute the commands and send back the results. GL maintains a large Python API for accessing all of our PacketExpert modules. Next, we will demonstrate a simple Python script for bit error rate testing. To launch the command line interface server, simply click on the icon, tell it which port to listen to, and click OK. The server will now listen for commands from the Python client. We provide many different sample Python scripts for Allport BERT, BERT Loopback, ExpertSam, and many of our other modules. Let's walk through a simple Python script for Allport BERT testing. Here we set the server IP address and the server listening port. In this statement here, we load the configuration file. We use this statement to start a port in receive mode and this statement to start a port in transmit mode. Throughout the duration of the test, we can print BERT results as well as port statistics such as the transmitted statistics and the received statistics. To stop a port from transmitting, use this command. And similarly, to stop a port from receiving, use this command. We can generate reports in PDF and CSV files. And finally, to disconnect from the server, use the disconnect command. Let's now run the Python script. You see here that on the server side, it prints out the event log. As the test is running, it'll print out the BERT statistics. At the end of the test, this script allows you the option to generate a report. And the report is exported successfully to a PDF file and contains all the statistics of the BERT test.